found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity.
Finally got it. I finally got it. And it's all thanks to my very dear friend that I've met since being a part of the natural hair community. And her IG name is @naturally_Kiko. Oh my gosh. Total godsend. So thank you again. Okay, so today we're gonna be blowing out my hair using my new Revlon one-step hair dryer. And we're gonna be using the Afro Sheen Fro Out Blowout Spray. And I'm getting ready to do a protective style. I'm getting ready to put in some crochet box braids. And so I'm super excited to be blowing it out for the first time with my new hair dryer that I hope to love, because this is gonna make blowing my hair out so much easier. Cannot wait. So let's see how it goes. So first I'm gonna start out with the Afro Sheen Fro Out Blowout Spray. And I've already separated this piece here. And the instructions say to hold 6 to 8 inches away from hair. Spray evenly on damp or dry hair. Comb evenly through, then blow dry and style as desired. So, here we go. Okay, so I'm going to use this on cool. I don't like using too much heat on my hair, so cool is gonna work. It's probably gonna take a little longer. Doesn't matter, it'll still go faster than what I was usually doing. So, here we go. Looks pretty good to me. One thing I will say is with the Fro Out Blowout Spray, I think I need to put just a little bit of leave-in on my hair before putting this on here, because it kind of, well, I don't know, that feeling is kind of gone. Well, yeah, it does still kind of have a bit of a stickiness. I'm gonna try and see if adding a leave-in, and I am gonna use Afro Sheen's leave-in. Whole earring just came off. But I'm gonna look and see if putting a leave-in on first takes away that stickiness. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back, and I'm going to add this time the Velvet Flow 4-in-1 leave-in, and I'm gonna spray that on first, and then the Fro Out Blowout Spray, and see if I can get rid of that sticky feeling that I got the first time around. using the leave-in definitely made a difference. I don't have the sticky feeling anymore. And so I'm just gonna speed through the rest of this and let y'all see how it goes. I'm finally through. Okay, so to give a quick review about this Revlon One Step Brush is I thought I was going to be committed to keeping it on the cool setting the whole time. It was taking forever. So what I did was I started out on low heat and I got it to a point where it was on the path to drying. And then once I got it on the path to drying, and then I went to the cool setting. Even that sometimes took a little while, but I'm more scared of the heat than the time. But it's okay. As far as the brush part, one of the things I was wondering is if it pulled too much, if it would be harmful and break, causing my hair to break. And I am picking out the hair now to show you guys how much hair came out. So this is how much hair came out of my entire head. So not much at all. I think I would have gotten this just from doing what I normally would do, which would be a wide tooth comb and a blow dry holding it, or even a brush and a, blow dryer. So I think it's pretty comparable, if not less. It's very possible that this is less than what I would have gotten out doing it otherwise. So I am pleased with it. I will say the big handle kind of makes it hard to hold, but that could also be because, kind of hurting right now. So got my little pain patch on. And so it could be because I'm already hurting, that it didn't feel comfortable. But I don't know. I'll give it a try again another time. And hopefully my hand won't be hurting. And so I can tell whether it's just the way that it's made, or if my hand is just already hurting and that it's just helping with the discomfort. All in all, I really like it. As far as the Throw Out Blowout Spray, it seemed to be really good. I just couldn't use it alone. I had to use it with a leave-in. And at first, I was using it with the Velvet Flow 4-in-1 leave-in by Afro Sheen. But it almost seemed as if it was making my hair too wet, and it was taking longer to dry. So what I did is I started to use my cream leave-in by Naptural Queen Haircare. And I paired this with the Throw Out Blowout Spray, and it dried quicker. So my hair kind of got a thing about spray leave-ins anyway. So I think my hair understands this a little better. I don't know. I'm entirely guessing. I could be wrong, but I could be right. Anyway, I think it was a good experience overall. I don't know if I cut my time down much, just because trying to do it on cool heat at first seemed to take forever. I think once I started to go between low heat and cool setting, it went much faster. So all in all, I had a great experience. If there's another type of blowout spray or heat protectant that you want to see me use, just comment down below and let me know of some good ones that you've tried, because I would like to try some others. This really is my first one trying. I know that sounds bad. I don't blow dry my hair very often, and I just was kind of going with a leave-in and just blow drying it that way. But it seems to, it worked good for me. At first, like I said, it gave a sticky feeling by itself, but with a leave-in, it was good. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. That's my first time saying that. I did not forget this time. But yes, please come back and see me again. I have several videos that you can look through, and I hope you like it. Bye.